National Weather Service in Sullivan has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for South Central Dane County and South Central Wisconsin, Greene County and South Central Wisconsin until 10:15 p.m. At 9:37 p.m. A severe thunderstorm was located near New Glarus and moving southeast at 35 miles an hour. Hazard, quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damage to vehicles is expected. Locations impacted include Monroe, Belleville, Monticello, Brooklyn, Monroe Airport, Albany, and Dayton. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of the building. Prepare immediately for large hail and deadly clouds and ground lightning. Seek shelter inside a well-built structure. Moving southeast at 35 miles an hour. Torrential rainfall is quarter-size storm and mainly indicated. Impact, damage to vehicles is expected. Locations impacted include Monroe, Belleville, Monticello, Monroe Airport, Albany, and Dayton. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Prepare immediately for large hail and deadly clouds and ground lightning. Seek shelter inside a well-built structure. Stay away from windows. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways.